All right, I want to go over Jesse Mack Butler's sentencing and what everything means. So, Judge Culling is the one that actually sentenced him. And so let's take a look. So, he pled guilty to all, or not guilty, he pled no contest to all 11 counts, which is pretty much the same thing as pleading guilty. You're not contesting the charges. The court hereby sentences the defendant to a term of 10 years as to count 1, 10 years as to count 2, 10 years as to count 3, 10 years as to count 4, 10 years as to count 5, 10 years as to count 6, 3 years as to count 7, 3 years to count 8, 10 years as to count 9, and 1 year as to count 10, and 1 year as to count 11. And then he placed Jesse under the supervision of the juvenile affairs. But this right here, Judge Susan Worthington, is the reason he will not have to serve those sentences. She accepted the state's offer to make him a juvenile, or not make him a juvenile, make him a youthful offender, which then, according to the court records, the only thing he has to do now is 150 hours of community service. He has to go to therapy. He has a curfew, no social media, and he has to stay away from these girls. But he could have to serve this sentence if he does not comply with the rehabilitation plan. The defendant remains subject to the sentence pronounced, pending his compliance or non-compliance with the youthful offender rehabilitation plan. So to me, that just means if he doesn't do what he's supposed to do, he will have to serve his 78 years in prison. Please share this out. This case disgusts me. I just can't believe that this has happened. Judge Susan Worthington has put in for her resignation. It is pending. So hopefully we'll get confirmation on that going through here in the next couple days. But yeah, share this out. Give me a follow. Let me know what you're thinking.